Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of June 21st through June 27th, and I'm going to be using this sticker kit by Nicole Alexia Designs named Peach, and it's in rose gold foil. I just love it. It's super pretty. The bottom washi is so sparkly, and it has like the little bows inside of like confetti bows inside of the bottom washi. I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the base, or just the bottom washi, and then I'm gonna go ahead into my sidebar this time. These date dots are also by Nicole Alexia Designs. I'm pulling stickers from the Southern Blues book by Recollections. It just has a lot of cute Southern things in it that just say sweet as a peach, and a lot of like sweet teas, peach teas in it. So I just thought I would use some florals out of that book. So that is where this bouquet of flowers is from, and I'm just going to trim that down. And the June script is from Sadies stickers. So I added this dangled deco as a trim in the sidebar. These are from Sadies stickers. A scallop divider. Adding some more of those florals from the sticker book. And I'm gonna put in a habit tracker. I'm not gonna use that this week. I don't have anything to put there. I'm just gonna fill up the sidebar. I'm adding this for my stickers that I'm ordering for that week. And this trim is by JK Creates Co. from a freebie. And I just like to add in this half box for if I want to add anything of importance. And just adding in some more florals for deco. I also pulled in this hat from the sticker book just to fill up the white space at the bottom. And then this stem that I'm going to be adding is from Sadies stickers. These floral trims are by JK Creates Co. And I just thought I would just use these to accent the full boxes this week. I don't know, I just like trying out different things. Here I'm just showing you that book that I'm pulling the florals from in the deco. So on Monday, I tried a new coffee, a K-cup, Starbucks creme brulee, and I added sweet cream to it. It was so good. This coffee mug is from Simply Watercolors Co. It was a freebie, and the frame box is from Sadies Stickers. This squiggle or flourish is also from Sadies Stickers. I also did a Plan With Me upload this day, and the laptop is from Paper Muse Craft. I also got some piggy cuddles from my girls, my guinea pigs. And later that day, I did a deep clean to the floors, and I also cleaned my craft space. All of the little bow icons are from Paper Muse Craft. So on Tuesday, I had to take my mom to the mechanic. I was actually doing that a lot. This bow divider is from Sadie Stickers, just to add some separation. I also had physical therapy later that day, and I'm just using the bicycle because that's normally what I do at therapy, is ride the bicycle. Now that I'm looking at the kit, I wish it would have came like with its own decorations or deco so it could match better, but I think I did okay. Anyways, I did laundry later. The laundry script is from Nicole Alexia Design. I pulled in a flourish from Sadies Stickers, and I'm marking that I did some reading later that day. On Wednesday, I had an appointment for my son, so I had to go pick him up early from daycare. I'm pulling in a squiggle from Sadies Stickers. We also picked up a new lawnmower from Lowe's because it is starting to rain again, so the grass is growing faster. Before we just had like a weed eater, but now we need a mower because it's like growing a lot faster. I also went to Michael's just to look around, but you know, when you look around, you also buy some things, and I picked up some like 2 new Happy Planner books, and we also had tacos later that night. On Thursday, I did my Plan With Me, and I'm just adding this half mandala from JK Creates Co. and the half circle from the kit. trying to get that perfectly on there. This scallop divider is from the kit. I don't know if you guys want to know like where every sticker is from, but normally if I don't say where it's from the kit. I also did a Instagram post this day. And I'm trying to like have more white space in my like throughout the week or within the week. So I'm trying to use like more frame boxes. So on Thursday there was also like some commotion in the complex that I live in. I guess there was a guy that ran from the police, I guess 80 miles per hour or something like that, but he had to do something in order to run from the police, and I guess he was hiding out within the complex and they knew he was in here, so they like blocked everything off, like it was a roadblock, nobody in, nobody out, and like I was like, well, we gotta go get the kids, so we kept going up there to the exit to get out. Like we went up there about 3 times and they would not let anybody in or out, and we tried to talk to the police officer and they like walked away from us, and we were like, okay, like, and so this one lady, she got out the car and she was like, okay, I gotta go to work, and he was like, a few more minutes. Long story short, they ended up not catching the guy, ended up having to come back, I guess the next day with a warrant or something, finding out where he stays and everything, and I guess they got him. I guess he was stealing cars. So yeah. On Friday, we went couch hunting and I found a gray sectional. It's super big. I love it. I love just sitting on it and watching my TV shows and doing my little crochet on my big sectional now. I pulled in this flourish from Sadies stickers. Also, I uploaded my July monthly spread with my happy planner. Later that day we had a movie night with the kids and we watched Luca, super cute movie. Loved it. It was on Disney Plus. And then we also had some, what did we eat? Oh, it's on here. We had some hamburger helper and that was really good. I cooked enough so we can have leftovers too, so that was good. The next day, I went to Joann's and my boyfriend, he was like, do you want me to go with you or do you want me and the kids to go with you? I was like, no, I really like to go by myself, because if I go by myself, I can stay in there as long as I want to, which isn't a good idea, but you know, I just like to go by myself. So I went to Joann's and I found a couple of things on clearance. Some happy planner like washi tapes and things like that, and different other stickers, and I believe it was a photo album as well that I found to put some stickers in. Also this day I got a new puppy, a Scottish poodle to I just wanted a puppy to have for myself and my family, and we just wanted to make sure it was the perfect fit for our family. Keep that in mind. We wanted to make sure that this puppy is the perfect fit for our family, okay? Keep that in mind. So we did get a new puppy this day, and I wanted to mark that with a frame box to make it a little bit more special. And I was gonna add this divider from JK Creates Co., but I ended up switching it out to a flourish from Sadie Stickers. Later that day, I also went to Culver's and I got a chicken sandwich, and I had the ice cream of the day, which was a chocolate covered strawberry ice cream. It wasn't all that. I probably could have saved those calories for something else. So yeah. And I also did a little bit of cleaning, and that clean script is from Shine Sticker Studio. this character, as well as the script, is also from Shine Sticker Studio to mark that I had some self-care. This flag, I cut it down from the kit just to mark that I used a shower fizz. It was the eucalyptus and spearmint, and I also used a Dove body scrub. It was the macadamian one, and it smells so good. I pulled in another one of those bow dividers from Sadies stickers, and I'm using a frame box from the kit and a bouquet of flowers from JK Creates Co. because I wanted to mark this really pretty. Just that I watched my first episode of Plans Changed with Shantae Plans and Rachel of Gathered Plans. It was so funny. And we were also talking about the shower fizzes. Later that day, I just spent time with my brother, and I just wanted to mark that because that's always quality time with him when I'm spending time with him. On the sideboard, I'm just adding all the stickers that I purchased for the week. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I had left over. So for my next video, I am thinking about doing a chatty version of my plan with me. So let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments below. This is how the week turned out. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to give me a like. And also comment, and I will comment back.